Remember, let a local mobile auto mechanic garage shop on wheels help you save time and money by going to carhelpout.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Powerful. Iconic. Exhilarating. The all-new BMW M3 Sedan. Experience the spirit of true M racing with BMW's formidable M twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder engine. Own the road with 425 horsepower and a massive 406 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in a mere 4.1 seconds. With a sleek, aggressive design and intelligent lightweight construction with carbon fiber reinforced plastic, the all-new M3 Sedan is lighter, faster, and more agile than ever. And with the optional 7-speed M double clutch transmission featuring launch control, you'll enjoy an astounding 3.9 second 0 to 60 time. Racetrack capability without sacrificing daily usability. And for added driver control, a manual mode can be enabled for a kick of racing thrills. BMW innovation continues to set the standard. M carbon ceramic brakes, electric power steering with 3 settings, adaptive LED headlights, and an unmatched comfort and convenience package. The all-new BMW M3 Sedan. Thrilling new style, same iconic heritage.
Remember, you should always let a professional mobile mechanic service your pre-purchase inspection on any car, truck, van, RV, SUV, or crossover you plan on buying either from a dealer, online such as Craigslist, or on the side of the road. Let a local mobile auto mechanic garage shop on wheels help you save time and money by going to carhelpout.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.